Hi everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to talk about this vest that I made. So let's get started. First of all, welcome back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise, and I wanted to talk about this vest. I wanted to give you a little pattern review of Simplicity 3108. That's this one here. This one is just out this year. It's an American Sewing Guild pattern, by the way. I just finished this one not long ago. It has these nice princess seams, which give it really nice shaping. I like princess seams or some sort of a waist seam because it gives more definition, at least in particular for me, my body shape. If you don't really have a defined waist, those are things that can really sort of make you look like you have a waist. So that's why I like things like this. And I just like how it hangs really nicely. So this is a bit of a tailored look in a way. It's just a Mrs. Vest skirt and pants is what the pattern says. It has the long skirt and pants there. Let's see, the suggested fabrics are boucle, I think that's how you say it, cotton twill, denim, linen blends, and of course you need some interfacing. This is a linen blend fabric that I believe I got at Joann's, so I can't get any more of it. I've got a little bit left, and I wanted to do some shorts, but I'm not sure I have actually enough fabric in order to do that, so we'll see. But this pattern is fairly easy. It's actually much easier than I had thought. These flaps they're literally just flaps. There are no pockets up under this the flaps here. It's just decorative. So you stitch these on and it's very easy, but there's no pockets underneath. So it gives you the illusion of pockets, but without actual pockets being there. So like I said, once I found that out, it was super easy to put together. Like I said, you've got the princess seams here, and you do have a seam going down the back here, and it just helps it to give some shaping. And I think it's probably easier if you needed to make some kinds of adjustments. Having these seams probably would make that easier to do in the long run. But as I'm going to show you plenty of photographs. The only thing that held me up with getting this done, is I did not have buttons that I wanted. So I actually had to order buttons online. So it took a few days. I ordered from Amazon. They were supposed to come on a particular day, and they were delayed. So I was happy to be able to get these buttons because they actually really go well. They pretty much match the fabric, which is, I don't know if you'd call it ecru or off-white, the color here. So that's what I wanted. I wanted something that would really blend in with this particular fabric. And another thing that I have done, I need to really press this better, but for the underarm armhole facings, I have glued them down with stitch witchery, and I did a little video of me using that. That's what I will do with facings, or for facings, in order to keep them in place so that they don't flop up, because a lot of times when you have something like this and you put it on, that facing will turn over, so you got to tuck under every time you put it on. I just like to use stitch witchery. Sometimes it's hard to say, and that really holds it down. And I don't do it all the way around. I just do it in spots, so that maybe in like 3 or 4 places, and that's generally enough to hold it down. I will also do the same often in the neck, for the neck facing, to keep that held in place also. That is in addition to any stitching or tacking by hand that you might do for these. Like if you tack it down at the seams, which I've also done, but still you will often find that those facings will flip over when you put it on. So the stitch witchery works great for that. But as I said, I've got a little bit of fabric left. It's actually a little bit less than a yard, but it is fairly wide. So I want to see if I can maybe a shorts pattern. I'm showing you some pictures where I've got on a pair of red and white floral shorts. That pattern, I think, takes about a yard. So I might have enough if I mix this with some other fabrics for facings or for whatever, something like that. I might have enough to do shorts to go with this, because that's actually something that I really wanted, but I just don't have enough of the material to make it too fancy. So we'll see if I do that. But I think I could also, something like this could also be worn when it gets cooler, because since it is a vest, you could wear a long sleeve shirt, like a turtleneck, or a long sleeve t-shirt underneath, and have this open even, and wear pants. So I think it's a fairly versatile garment as well. But that is Simplicity 3108. It's a new pattern that's out. I do really like this, and like I said, it was pretty easy and quick to put together. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Go ahead, hit like, and consider subscribing to my channel. That will help to push my content out to others who may be interested in my sewing. So I thank you for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.